I'm going to show you how to add a Google Analytics tag to your recently developed Wix dropshipping website. Okay. First thing we got to do is we got to go to Google Analytics and check it out. So I'm going to head there right now and get a GA tag. So the website for that is analytics.google.com. And make sure you focus on your analytics. This is one reason, this is the main driver that I actually have a community now. When I was doing an analytics tutorial, yikes. When I was doing an analytics tutorial on one of my websites, it said, do educational tutorials on Vertex AI search and conversation. So I was like, okay. So I'm going to go Riley's Roofing. Shout out to Riley's Roofing. We need to add a new account. So things down here, admin, create, and I think it's a property. Details. So let's just create a new one. New account. Let's go. What were we calling it? Sazzy Tees? Sazzy Tees. Yes, you can know everything about it. Know it, know it, know it. Property name, Sazzy Tees. Next. Business, 1 to 10. Industry. Beauty and fitness. Is there girl? Fashion. Shopping. Next. Okay, we want to generate leads, online sales. That's what we want. And let's create it. Yes, I accept. Bottom. So I got accept. Okay, choose a platform. We're on the web. URL. Fantastic. Wix.com. So this was the dropshipping site we did probably 30 minutes ago. You can do a lot with 30 minutes. You can have a full dropshipping website up. Now I've done a few of them, so it's navigated decently, but it's not like, I mean, you saw me. I haven't been messing around with Wix too often. I don't know if I'll be able to publish it because I have those payments set up. But I wonder if we can get the URL somewhere. View live site maybe. Boom, there's that. Go back to analytics, grab that URL. Here we go. Stream name, Sazzy. Not official. Next one. Just go bluecollarlids.com. Special. Sorry about that. There we go. We already got that loaded in there. All right, create and continue. All right, so next, set up the GA tag for the site. Install with Wix. Yes, I do. Copy your tag. So this will be a good demo on just how to put this on your Wix website, because you really do have to have an analytics tag just to see what people are doing, where they're going. Let's see, Wix count, settings, marketing integrations, GA. Okay, easy money. So let's copy this tag, and we're going to go over to our Wix dashboard. We'll come to the bottom here. We'll go settings. Where's marketing integrations? Where's it at? Marketing. We need to update our stuff here, boy. Ads, SEO. What did you say? GA. Advanced. Go advanced. Settings. Marketing integrations down there at the bottom, right in front of my face again. Google Analytics. Let's hook it up. You have to have that on your plan. All right, so let's just go to Blue Collar Lids. Let's see if we got that tag in there. You guys can see it on my actual dropshipping site. Settings, marketing integrations, and there already view. Yeah, how can I show you different ways? Basically, all you do is go in there and paste it in. I wonder. Oh no, let's see. Sure, we got to do a tutorial. All right, so let's connect it. That Google Analytics ID. This is how easy it is. Add some Google Analytics to your website. Save. Okay, we're connected. It is a lot easier now. Test installation, so it's going to be going different website, but let's see what it says. I mean, as long as it knows the tag is hooked up to the Wix website, I don't think it cares. Okay, let's go. We got to change that URL. Let's go bluecollarlids.com. Page stream. Now we should have. Now it should be engaged because it should be under that right URL. The same one. Let's take this one off. Put in that new tag just to make sure. Add the ID. Boom, boom. Acted. Okay. Like it, I like it, I like it. And it. See if it recognizes it that quick. It should come up all right. Yeah. Boom. So my tags are good to go. That's how you add a GA tag to your website. And what that means is now you're going to be able to start collecting the, let's see, dismiss, next. Data collection is pending. So it takes about, I don't know, 24, 48 hours for data to start coming in. But let's just check Ironforge, see what that looks like as far as what you're going to start getting back. Report snapshot. This is always a good one to have. Pages and screens. But just check out your report snapshot. It'll give you a good idea of what's going on anyway. Commercial repairs, services is the two. So if we're going to start focusing anything more after the homepage, it'd be like, all right, what services do you provide? Because people need to know if their mechanic can fix their stuff, right? About us. So people want to learn. Life is good. Pages and screens. You can come in and check out each of them individually and more granular. Trailer rental. You can just check out everything you need. But that is how you add a GA tag to your website in Google Analytics.